Good afternoon and welcome to another ROFFS Gulf of Mexico ocean conditions update the week of December 5th, 2023. What you're looking at here is a sea surface temperature composite done from the end of last week, a few days ago. Currently, there's a series of fronts going through. As some of you know, there's cooler temperatures at night, even 30s and 40s up in northern Florida, over towards Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana. Cooler temperatures during the day, and that's given us a lot of cloud cover over the ocean. So we chose to use imagery from the end of last week for today's update. Getting into it real quick, looking at the sea surface temperature first, you will see the loop current down here to the south, being kept down south by a few things. One of them being this counterclockwise eddy here, off to the northwest of the steppes, south of the Lloyd's Ridge, along with this clockwise rotating loop current eddy that had broken off a couple months ago and is currently drifting slowly to the west, located south of the dump site and over towards the area southeast of the Green Canyon. The bottom line is this loop current eddy feature, along with some of this northern and northwestern flow, being helped by these two counterclockwise eddies here off to the southwest of Tampa, north of the loop current, are helping, along with this clockwise eddy to the southeast of the Mississippi Canyon, along with this smaller clockwise rotating eddy and over towards the dump site and southern portions of the Mississippi Canyon. They are helping blue water come up in over DeSoto Canyon, towards the double nipple and south of the Mississippi River Delta, as you'll see from this ocean color chlorophyll image, which is also taken from the same time period, the end of last week. It's harder to see the boundaries. You can make out some change, due to loop current down here to the south, and this flow up to the north and northwest, into DeSoto Canyon and towards the double nipple, and then back off around, basically towards the circulation of this eddy here, out over towards Lord's Ridge and towards the Atwater Valley. And then you can see, because of this clockwise loop current circulation here, there is some nice water moving up over the Green Canyon, being helped by these eddies up in the towards the dump site, towards the Mississippi Canyon, and up towards the Gulfport, Redfish, and Chandeleur Valley areas, and over the ledges southeast of South Pass and the Mississippi River Delta. Still good conditions out there. The SST is a little bit cooler, down towards around 80, 81 for the loop current. All this water in here is closer to the 80-degree range, with still 76 to 78-degree water in towards the DeSoto Canyon, double nipple, and southwestward towards Mississippi Canyon, making for some decent conditions for fishing into December. Looking back at the SST image, you will see there's a large counterclockwise circulation out here west of the Green Canyon, pulling some of the relatively warmer water over towards the flower gardens, being helped by this counterclockwise rotating eddy here over towards the western dump site. Good water moving in here towards the east breaks. It is a little harder to see off of Texas. Even it's been cloudy there for about a week. You can see this water coming up from the area off of Mexico towards the Texas border, and then over to the east here. We're gonna switch over to the ocean color image. You can see a little more. Some of this water looks like it's making its way in here towards the Aransas Bank Hospital Rock area, and down off to the southwest. There may be some kind of counterclockwise eddy in here, where some of this water is coming up and helping to circulate back in here towards the Colt 45 and Texas Canyon areas, but it is hard to see. You will see from this ocean color image over towards the west as well, there's still a lot of cleaner water, making for good late season wahoo, probably tuna, and maybe even some billfish action. That's about it for this week. Keeping it quick, short and sweet due to the clouds. Keep in mind we are closed this week on Thursday for our yearly office meetings. We'll be open through Wednesday at 5 p.m. and we'll be open again on Friday, December 8th, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then we are in our regular hours for the next couple of weeks. We will also be closed for the holidays, closing on December 22nd, Friday, and reopening on Tuesday, January 2nd, 2024. Wish everybody tight lines, happy holidays. If you need to get us, you can always get us at 321-723-5759. Email fishing@roffs.com or feedback@roffs.com. And you can order and get information online 24/7 on our website, www.roffs.com. Thank you.